Mallory Avenue is arguably one of West Pymble's best streets, just a short stroll to West Pymble's Phillip Mall. And 14A blends luxury and comfort without a penny to spend. You can simply move into and start enjoying right now. This amazing level 980 square metre block greets you with these beautiful manicured gardens and of course enjoys this northwest aspect. You can tell the current owners of some 25 years absolutely love this property, from the renovated front porch, the shutters, the electric garage, and wait till you see some of the other things they've done here. I love this large entryway. The owners have definitely kept the character in here and it opens straight in to this large living area. The traditional floor plan then flows straight into this dining room. I absolutely love the continuity these owners have managed to achieve with this beautiful built-in custom marble top cabinetry that flows straight into this French provincial kitchen. Everything has been thought about in here. These marble bench tops, this beautiful custom cabinetry, of course this AVE gas oven and stove that was custom built for this area. This butler sink, Chambord, French butler sink, right next to this Miele, built-in dishwasher, and of course all the storage that you could ever need in a kitchen. I don't often showcase laundries in videos, but the continuity straight from that kitchen into this butler pantry / laundry is fantastic. Once again, marble bench tops, washer dryer, beautiful features, and of course a fridge. How good is this sunroom cum study with these wraparound windows and a door leading directly to one of 2 outdoor living spaces. From the ground up, this 1950s double brick cottage has been renovated, rebuilt, or renewed. You've seen most of the things that I've discussed today, and it's obvious when you look at it that this is a quality home ready for you to move into and start enjoying today.